bit unorthodox with the hacksaw, but it turns again now. Something it didn't do. I had to cut a groove to make it free it up because the metal expanded so much. So little unorthodox, but it works. Taped it all off and ready for painting. It's a beautiful primer gray now. I'll put the real color on after I get all the electronics redone. This is just to cover up so it won't rust again after I put naval jelly all over it. More cleaning. Everything's been cleaned up and primed. Got the chassis all clean. Got the tuner turning again. So now I'm just waiting for shipment of parts, and we'll start fixing and put it back together.